Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Unice Hair. Big thank you to Unice Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into this look. So today I have their Real Scalp Pre-Everything Body Wave Lace Frontal Wig. This is a 13x4 pre-bleached, pre-plucked, laces pre-cut, and baby, we have a real HD scalp look. So if you take a look at this hairline, it is done. Everything is done. Literally just put this on and you can go. Another plus with this wig is it comes with a drawstring in the nape area. So along with it being ready to go, it has a drawstring so you can cinch it for the perfect fit. And let's not stop there. They also provide you with lace tape, and this install will be completely glueless because I went the lace tape route this time. So once I put it on, I'm going to peel the backing off of the lace tape and I'm going to press that down into the skin. Also, once I press that down into the skin, I'm going to use a melt band just to hold it in place, and that is also going to help push that lace tape down while I style this hair. So for styling, I'm going to go in with the middle part because this does come in a middle part. I cut very, very light layers. It was more like a trim. And then I started to curl all of the hair away from my face. So for products, all I really used in this hair was wax stick on the top before using the hot comb, and then I used some holding spray, and that was really it. This hair doesn't require a lot of products because remember, this is pre-everything. Most of the work is done for you, so you don't need to pull out the whole wig install arsenal. You know it's hard to get about it, I get sidetracked. Shake something, left, right, control it. You know who to call if you're horny. Ride on it, green light me. Shawty, she discreet, she don't wanna business in the street. Be my little secret, baby, be my little friend. Oh, weekend on the weekend, do something different. Got my attention. 8 figures, fucking with her. Big picture, more than just a night with ya. Don't switch up, girl, when the lights hit ya. The diamonds gon' dance. Oh, you're friends, but you really don't dance. But I know that you know you can. When you're about to get nasty. Take that shit off. Yeah. Summer's too hot, not to fuck it up. Is the mood right? Is it waiting on it's a level up, let me hit it up just a few times. Summer's too hot, had to double up, shot it too far with the bubble butt. Yeah. So once I curl the hair, I start to fluff them out, and I love the way this looks. It is very full. This is a full density wig and the length is perfect. I have this in 24 inches. If you'd like shorter lengths, you can always filter their options and choose a shorter length. I have everything linked down in the description box, including the products that I use here today. It will be down in the description box, or it'll be up here on the screen, as well as the direct link to this wig. So as you can see, you can part this hair basically anywhere, and that is something that I did for style number 2. So for style number 2, we will move this to a deep side part, and I've been dying to do a deep side part with this construction and this design wig. So stay tuned for that. So here we are. I am going to shift my part, and what I love is because of the real scalp underneath, I don't have to pull out my lace concealer because it already looks realistic. There are no knots, and the material underneath gives that scalp-like illusion. So once I parted to the side and moved it over, I did have to use my hot comb to define the part again because remember it was parted to the center. So once I use the hot comb and lay that down, I already love the way the curls are falling in place. But because it's me, I'm gonna go in and recurl it. Now, if you want to do a side part and you want heavy, chunky layers, you have to cut more layers into this. Because as you can see, the way the curls are falling, it's cute, don't get me wrong. But if you want that big, voluminous body, you have to cut more layers into it. But I wanted to keep this one long for other reasons, so I didn't do too much cutting. So this is the final look. I love the way this came out. I love that this is a low effort wig. Now, one thing I want to mention is if you want to throw this up into an updo, you can do that. The drawstring makes it possible to achieve so many different styles. You're not just restricted to a middle and a side part anymore. You can do a half a pap down. You can do two ponies. You can do a high pony. You can do a low pony. It's all about how you finesse. All the details down in the description box. Big shout out to Unice Hair for sponsoring today's video, sending over this gorgeous wig with all these gorgeous gifts in the package. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop that down below, and I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.